Here is everything you need to know about Scentsy for the month of August. August starter kits include the 10 new releases in the upcoming fall catalog, and it's time to update your Scentsy Club for Always Get My Bar because a lot of our favorite spring and summer fragrances are being retired, including a lot of other products, so check the discontinued list. The August scent of the month is Honeycrisp Harvest, which I love, and here is the warmer of the month, Sunflower Fields. And you won't want to miss out on the August Whiff Box because it includes brand new items coming in the fall season. Available today is the Gourdy Goodness Wax Collection. We took pumpkin roll and made 4 brand new scents out of it, and it's amazing. Our Beetlejuice Collection will be available August 19th, and the NFL Collection will be available August 26th. Here are some perks of being a Scentsy consultant in the month of August. We currently have early access to things like the Harvest Collection, the 10 fall and winter new releases, the fall and winter laundry collection with the fall and winter clean collection, and the fall and winter body collection. We also can purchase a new warmer and tabletop fan bundle. Here is just a little sneak peek of what is to come. We'll also get our hands on the September Scent and Warmer of the Month kit on August 15th. Check out wicklasscharm.com and the description below for more details.